In this video, you're going to learn about collection ads and how you can use this new ad format to drive more sales for your online store. We'll start by understanding what a collection ad is and the benefits of it. Then we will look to really see in our ads guide where this new ad format is available. What objectives is it available for? Because it's not available for every type of ad objective. Then we will start to look at some case studies and see how Adidas is using this new ad format to get some great results. Also see how Tommy Hilfiger is using this. And looking at these case studies, I think are going to give you some really great examples of how you can put it into use for yourself. Finally, then we will finish up in our Ads Create tool, and you'll learn how you can create an ad using the ad collection format for yourself. So let's start by understanding what a collection ad is and the benefits of it. So the high level idea is that you inspire shoppers to purchase with an immersive experience. So let's really come down and have a look at the example here. This is what it's going to look like in somebody's news feed. So what is different here, instead of a carousel ad that just has products here or a single product ad, what you actually have is a video up here, and then you have the products related to that video below here. And people can click through on these images directly to your mobile site where they can purchase these products. Now, the key thing to understand about collection ads is that they're only available on mobile right now. And they're really designed for mobile as well, and to give a better experience for people. So the idea is that this advert format helps brand connects with people by pairing a video with photos of 4 product images in the news feed. And the idea is that you inspire sales with deeper stories. So instead of just seeing the product, you're actually seeing a video that showcases the key reason why you should buy the product, or just to see the product in action. Paint more of a lifestyle that you will achieve or get if you buy the product. So classic marketing, but just a more interesting ad format than a static image. Now, in terms of the products that you want to put, you want to choose products that play off the best story in your featured video. And in the 2 examples we'll look at 2 different ways that you can maybe do that. The key thing is that this is a new ad format, and a lot of advertisers won't be using it yet. So if people see this in their news feed, it's going to catch their attention because it's something completely new. So for new ad formats, and many more will come out on Facebook, the key thing is that the sooner that you use them, the more benefit that you're going to get out of them, because as more and more competitors start to use them, it doesn't grab as much attention. So for all of these new ad formats, the key thing is, if they are relevant for your business, to use them straight away. Now let's have a look at when you can use this ad format. It's not going to be suitable for every single marketing objective, but there are 2 key areas where it fits perfectly, and one is clicks to website. So we're once again in here in the Facebook ads guide. Right now it is available only for clicks to website. You can see Facebook collection here, and also website conversions down here. So essentially these are the same thing, driving people to a website. We're driving people to a website where it's optimized for conversions, and you do need to have the Facebook pixel installed in order for Facebook to optimize for conversions for you. But you can see here Facebook collection. Obviously this is going to be ideal for e-commerce stores where the products are featured there. It's not going to be ideal for brand awareness. It's not available for brand awareness at the moment. Event responses doesn't really make sense. Lead generation, local awareness, page likes obviously doesn't make sense. So you can see that this ad format is really tailored to online store sales. Now let's have a look at some of the case studies to really understand how brands and companies are using this right now. And here's what Adidas did. They used this ad format to really cross-sell with a video. And this is a pretty interesting way that they used it. Now they got some great results 1.x decrease in cost per conversion, and a 5.3x return on ad spend. Why? Well, probably because this is a new ad format and it really engaged people. Now let's look down at what they actually did, and this is their example here. So their main objective here was to cross-sell, and what they did is they had a video featuring their new product, which is this hoodie, and then down below they had really complementary products for the featured product, which is like the runners, the bag, the tracksuit bottoms, etc. So it's really with an objective to cross-sell to these different products as well. So what they did with this collection ad format is had the video, paired it with 4 products, and then this quickly could open it up into 50 more products so viewers can instantly browse and shop for additional products. So what's so cool about this hoodie? Why would they even make a video about it? Well, it says here that it's an oversized sleeping hoodie to block out noise and help people relax while traveling. And so I imagine the video is showing some of the benefits there. And actually that does not sound like such a bad idea. Could be pretty handy when you're traveling. Finally, you can see here that when interested customers clicked on any of these product images, they arrived at the Adidas mobile website where they could make the purchase. So this is the key thing, that this is an ad format that's only for mobile right now. It's really designed for mobile. And so if you are sending people or thinking to use this, you want to make sure that your site is mobile optimized and mobile friendly. Otherwise, you're going to be losing those people once they click through to your site. Now let's have a look at Tommy Hilfiger and see how they use this collections ad format. And they actually did a slightly different thing. Instead of using it to cross-sell, they used it in a different way. So let's have a look at this. So they used the collection ad format to enable European customers to instantly buy pieces featured in the runway show video. So let's have a look down at this. They had the runway show video, and down here below that they had the products featured in there that people could buy straight away. So that's not a cross-sell, it's showing that these are the products, they're showing them again and again through a live runway show, and then you can go ahead and purchase them by clicking on the links here. Now the results again were pretty impressive, 2.2x, higher return on ad spend, 37% lower cost per visit to its e-commerce site, 2x higher engagement rate. Now let's come down and have a look at some of the details here. How they set this collection up was they uploaded its video creative along with its product catalog. So these are the really 2 key steps that I'm going to show you how to do. First, you need to upload the video, and you also need to have your product catalog set up as well. And it's really combining these 2 things. Now coming down, let's have a look at actually some of the strategy and the tactics behind this campaign, because this is interesting for you to think about as well. So what they did is they targeted the collection to women across Europe aged 20 to 40 with interest in fashion and shopping. The team also installed a Facebook pixel on its mobile site and used information gathered from it to build a lookalike audience based on women who had visited or made purchases from their mobile site. So this is really smart. What they did is targeted women by interest and demographics. They had the Facebook pixel set up. They obviously created then a custom audience based on that, and then using that custom audience of people who had bought, then they built a lookalike audience on the back of that and really extended the reach of their campaign. So nice little strategy. I could really see how you could put that into action for yourself. Now that you understand what collection ads are and the benefits of them, let's look into the Ads Create tool so you can understand how to set this up for yourself. So firstly, when selecting your marketing objective, remember that this ad format is not available for every type of marketing campaign, just really traffic and conversions. And you will have to have the pixel set up in order to optimize for that. Let's just select the traffic marketing objective just to keep it pretty simple for the moment. Now, in terms of your ad set, traffic, audience placements, budget, that's going to be the same decision-making process as we've covered previously. Really, where there is a difference for this ad format is down in the ad level, where you can see this collection ad format is available. Now, the first thing you want to do is upload that video that you want to use in this collection ad format. So I've just got a video here that I'm just going to use. Now I'll let that upload, and what I want to do is come down into the images here. So we can put in the headline and text as normal. So I can just put in new collection. New collection. Now what I want to do is really import my product catalog. Now we've covered this in a previous lecture, but essentially inside of your ads manager here, you can see that there is the option to upload a product catalog. And essentially that's what you want to go ahead and do before you start to use this ad format. So I've already done that. And now I can come down and really select the products that I want to include in this ad. And you can start to see them loaded up here. The images are really being pulled from the spreadsheet that I uploaded, where I had the links to the images on my site. Now let's come back and see if this video has been uploaded. Maybe I need to just make sure that this is uploaded before I move on to the next screen. Now once the video is uploaded, you can just select the thumbnail for the video. And one other thing to note here is that for Instagram, again, it needs to be under 60 seconds. Now this video is just an example, it's just a little bit over 60 seconds, but keep that in mind if you want the ad to run on Facebook and Instagram. At this stage, you can also upload those video captions if you want, and upload the SRT files, which is the file format that you can use for video captions. Scrolling down a bit now, I can see a preview of my ad. So very simple to set up, just 2 steps, upload the video and import that product catalog. So now that you understand what a collection ad is and the benefits of it, think about how you could use this as part of your marketing campaigns. Perhaps think about featuring a product like Adidas here and cross-selling complementary products, or you could also have a video featuring a lot of products and have them all listed below.